picked this project because we wanted people not to get hurt when the train crosses when they're crossing under the bridge. Also, because there's a school right by the bridge, right by the train tracks. We want a bridge so they won't be tardy or get hurt trying to go under the train tracks just to be on school.
I think this project is really important to me because we get to help each other cross the road so nobody will get hurt or get tardy to school. Because really nobody wants to be stuck during a train. So everybody will just cross and go home already.
We picked this project because some people aren't tardy to school and they don't have to cross under the bridge gates when they're waiting for a train.
We chose to do the bridge over the train tracks because we thought it was going to be easier for the kids to cross because some go under the railroads to just get to school on time and they don't like to be tardy.
The reason why we chose the exact project we did is because we have our teachers and other staff have been experiencing problems with people crossing over the train tracks while the gates are down, and that is a serious, huge safety issue for the school.
One of our main reasons when we picked this project was because of these long trains.
We just walked all the way from here to this train track. Most of us would like to go home really fast because let's face it, nobody wants to be here after school. So the reason we chose, two reasons. Why? In the morning, people would always get caught in the trains, and second, people would want to get here as quick as possible. This probably to have better stuff.
In addition to the first reason is that there's a school right here called Freedom Middle School, and if it's a train like this, it's gonna be very slow. Some of the trains are very slow, so it's gonna count them late. So if they were a bridge, it wouldn't take them as long and for the train to finish crossing.
This train really drags. Nobody wants to stand here all day. So might as well build a bridge over it so nobody will get late to school and they could get home faster.
About like a minute ago.
What do you think building a bridge over these train tracks would be very beneficial for the city?
Yes, it would. It'll save a lot of time.
Catch it!
Right.
Crossing when the gates are going down.
I got it.
Based on the evidence we've provided, it's absolutely imperative that we do